Hello. Today I'll be doing a tool review on a Klein Percision Insulated screwdriver set. This is $30 at Home Depot. So, what you want to do first is take your thing and take the right end you need. There's Torx, straight, Phillips, all that good stuff. So you want to take this. See, you got this end. You got this end. You got this end. So what I'm going to do is get this in there. See how it goes in? So you gotta do. You gotta push it down. There you go. There you go. You can do another click. There you go. So, if you follow me, over here, I'm going to instrument it on a screw. See. Okay, I'm going to switch hands. So, I'm going to find your screw. Yeah, the things are small, but all I gotta do, see? And there's all there is to using one of these. So yeah, these are nice. These come handy when you're doing like small stuff, applications. Smaller applications. So all you gotta do now is just twist it back. And give it a try. Get another try in there. There we go. So yeah, that's all it is to the Klein Percision Insulated screwdriver set. These are ideal for electricians, automotive people if they're getting into like your EV cars or hybrid cars. So all you gotta do is pick it out, twist it. That's all you gotta do. So yeah, stay tuned for the next tool review. So I might do on the bigger ones. I don't know yet, but I can say right now, these come in handy. Klein. They are $30. Home Depot. USA made. Yeah. These are great. Klein is one of the best tool brands out there for electricians. Thank you. Have a nice day.